Hey guys, today I'm going to explain the Vlookup with multiple criteria. So how we can understand the basically. So let's get into the video. Okay, now I will show the Vlookup with multiple criteria. Okay, so I have the two different columns. Okay, and another column I have the both combined data also. So I want the price is equal to VLOOKUP. I'm selecting the F column and space, sorry, inverted comma, space, inverted comma again, and select the G column. Why I'm giving the and space, because two columns between there is a space, right? So that is the reason I'm giving the and space, like when we are using the concatenate formula, right? Same. Okay, comma, select the range, comma, what you want exactly, B column, right? Second column, right? 2 comma 0, false. See, this is how we can get the value based on the multiple criteria. Okay, thanks for watching.